Hi everyone, this is Dr. Idhanashegaran, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Nanda College of Technology, Erode. Today we are going to discuss the topic composite material. Let us move to the introduction. All the engineering materials like metal, ceramics and high polymers possess their outstanding characteristics as well as limitations. But none of these can be properly used where very stringent and specific requirements are required. That means, as for the engineering applications, we are needing the high operating temperature in a particular reactor and also supersonic aircraft and missiles. In these cases, the individual conventional materials like metal, ceramic, and polymers are not useful for the very stringent and specific requirements. In order to meet such stringent specific requirements, scientists and technologists have developed a new class of material called composites. Move to the definition. What is composite material? The composite material may be defined as a material system consisting of a mixture of two or more microconstituents which are mutually insoluble, differing in form or composition and forming a distinct species. That means when we are blending the mixture of two or more microconstituents uh, which are insoluble and differ from each other, it leads to the formation of composites. Such a composites possess a different properties than of its individual constituents. Okay, then what is the need for this composite material? As engineering student, we are expecting the properties of the material as listed below. That means strength, stiffness and toughness of the engineering material should be high. Similarly, corrosion resistance, wear resistance and chemical resistance also expected to be high. Also, the materials should possess high environmental degradation resistant. The weight should be very low. The fatigue life, that means lifetime, should be very high. As far as concerned, the thermal insulation or conductivity should be high. Electrical insulation or electrical conductivity also expected to be high. Then acoustic insulation should be also high. These are our expectation for all the engineering materials, but the reality is not like that. That's why we move to the composites. What are the advantages of composite material over conventional material like metal, ceramic, and polymers? Means the composite material possesses high strength to weight ratio, high specific strength, high stiffness. That's why we are giving more importance to the composite material than the conventional material. Similarly, the composite material possesses high fatigue properties, high corrosion resistance, high internal damping properties. And also, similarly, that's why we are giving more importance to the composite material than the conventional material. So, what are the disadvantages? Means we are going to discuss some important disadvantages of composite material. The cost wise, the raw material for the manufacture of composites are too high, and fabrication process also too cost. Then one more thing, we cannot reuse or dispose of the composite is very difficult. Then the difficult to attach one composite with another composite is also a very big problem. Then we are not able to repair or introduce new problems for the following reasons. And also the curing process of the composites can be done by either hot or cold curing process. It takes too much of time. And one more very big disadvantage is we are not able to analyze the composites after curing process completed. That's why these are the very big disadvantages of the composite. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.